Yeah, exactly. I think that was the way you deliver to us. It's just great. First thing is how to create your mindset. The
Mm.
main thing is just create your mindset and focus on that. And also, I got to know about like how to use Facebook in a kind of useful way. Now I feel like just wow, kind of like when I just made my website, I just share it to my brothers, sisters. At that time I was like at that level, wow, I have my own website.
Make you cry like a baby. Your body low and makes video. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hi everyone, meet Ankitha. She's a digital nomad from Banaras or UP. She's a successful freelancepreneur. She launched her business in just 15 days, starting the movement. Congratulations on launching your business, Ankitha.
Thank you so much, Bipin. Thank you so much.
Great. So, tell me your background. Are you from digital marketing background? What's your background?
Actually, I am from engineering field. That's
Okay.
my background was kind of mechanical engineering. Then I just shifted towards non-tech background, but I'm trying this because I just want to do my own kind
Hmm.
of business.
Hmm.
So
So
that's
when you saw this ad, why did you join this program? What motivated you to join this program?
actually the line hit me that I saw your ad on Instagram that just quit 9 to 5 job and come here,
Hmm.
and the way you represent the first meeting on that Zoom meeting. So I just got impressed the way you tell about the your story,
Hmm.
your experiences in those years,
Hmm.
how you come overcome from your personal problems and financial problems. So I just got motivated. If you can do it, so I should also start doing it. So
Correct. So that's why you joined. And after you joined, whatever I promised, was that delivered?
yeah, exactly. I think that was the way you deliver to us. It's just great because you are not only like fake those things like playing with your words and all. It is actually the like you do when you say something. Yeah, it is true, and I can say that from
Hmm.
videos and from the 30 days you just share the lecture and those from lectures. Yeah, I can say it is
So
delivered well.
whatever I say in, if I say something, I will do that, correct?
Yeah, exactly.
I am few people say that I'm fake, I'm scam. Am I scam?
No, not at all. I don't think so because my personal experiences say I have faced many fake scam kind of courses and all,
Mm.
but I know the way they do their scam and fake things.
So
You
what
are
was this
true.
experience? Like, did you take any other courses or what was that in the past?
Past, there is some my personal mistake. Recently, I think it August last
Okay.
month. Actually, it there is a third person who just scammed me by like said like trading and all.
Mm.
So they just scammed by doing these things, and my money got deducted.
Oh.
Second thing, yeah, and second thing is some course. They just I just watching their ads,
Mm.
and I just fill their form, and they just call me and tell me like what you want. Like if you want to deliver your business or whatever, you should be kind of honest. You are saying something else on that call, and then in video you are saying like you have to go to that website and purchase this and that. I think that's not I think that's kind of fraud to us, fraud to
Correct.
me.
Correct.
Yeah.
Got it. So yeah, there will be experience. So because you had experiences, uh, you know, this program is 100% genuine, correct?
Yeah, actually, I just said, seen your
Okay, awesome.
practical.
So tell me
Mm,
what all you learned. What all skills you learned in just 30 days.
actually, I learned how to, like, first thing is how to create your mindset. The
Mm,
main thing is just create your mindset and focus on that.
correct.
How to motivate yourself, the video you send through videos, some kind of notice boarding and all kind of
Correct.
things. And also I got to know about like how to use Facebook in a kind of useful way.
Mm,
Before that I was like, I don't know how to use. I just thought ki Facebook was like just for entertainment purposes and all. So I just blocked, you can deactivated my ID. And after I saw your video, the way you teach like on Facebook how to go at celebrity and this and that, so I got to know there is many things to learn in
mm,
social media,
correct.
Instagram as well. I don't know well like how to use this those apps and these apps. So yeah, that's thing the best thing
Mm.
I know. And also LinkedIn though I know like how to use LinkedIn and all. But Facebook and Instagram I was not aware
Did you
before.
learn website?
Yeah,
Website development
actually.
you learned?
Yeah. I learned website. Actually, I have my own website.
Wow.
The day when you teaches the how to create your own website, how to go like HostGator, sorry, and panel control panel, how to.
Mm.
So those things are very kind of interesting to me. I just got excited to learn those kind of things because I just learned it. I sorry, love it.
Yeah. So you have a
So
website now on your name.
yeah, yeah,
How do you
exactly.
feel? You have built your own websites. In how many days you built that website?
I think just 3 to 4 days only.
Nice. So you're
Because
from engineering background, right?
yeah, exactly.
So what used to, when you say website, did you think about coding, Java, C++? Did you think about all that? Now what do you feel?
Now I feel like just wow. Kind of like when I just made my website, I just share it to my brothers, sisters. At that time, I was like at that level. Wow, I
Um,
have my own website. I was very happy at that time.
Great.
So
Amazing.
yeah,
Great. And did you learn client communication, sales,
yeah. Exactly. How to
communicate with
actually
clients?
how to communicate with clients and how to actually feel their problem.
Hmm. Hmm.
That's the
Hmm.
main thing I got to know. Just listen their problem, just feel their problem. Then you will get to know how to reach out to them and how to help them. So
Awesome.
yeah,
So, how powerful on a scale of 1 to 10 this experience?
I would say 9.5. I would say because point 5
Yeah,
something
yeah,
there is
there will
always
be more, but overall, as of now, 9.5.
yeah, exactly.
Compared to your traditional education, all other things, is this different? Is this powerful?
Yeah, I would
Why?
say yes
Why?
because your line. Uh, I just forgot exact line. 80% practical things, 90% learning and those things.
So 80%,
So
20% learning, 80% implementation.
exactly,
Uh,
exactly. So when you say these things, so when I watching videos and this at the same time, I'm also doing same thing where I
mm,
watch those videos, pause those videos, and then doing same thing.
mm,
So what happen if you only start video and learning?
mm,
Yeah, like you sometime you feel like laziness and you stop, no, don't take a notes on it and just sit down. Then after some time you obviously you will forget all those things. So
mm.
that's the important thing in your videos. Like if you tell yeah, like do this like this. So yeah, I just followed that path. So
Then
that
you also implemented, you also got the result at the
yeah,
same.
yeah, exactly.
And the videos are very short. Like, should the video be long or short is good enough?
No, that's the enough because if it is if it is too long, then I will definitely get bored and then shut down. I will watch later. No, it is enough. According to me, it is enough.
To the point.
Yeah, exactly. To the point. Only.
Okay. Did you get what is the community? Did you get any help from the community? What do you have to say about the community group that we have?
Yeah, actually, they helped me a lot in on starting days when I was struggling during creating my own website. They
Mm,
helped me. Like on Telegram channel, we had a group called Freelanpreneur Family. In
mm,
that group, name called Aditya, Amin, and also there are more people. I just forgot their name, but they helped me a lot in my starting initial days. So
mm,
yeah,
mm.
they are very like kind of helpful.
Great, great, awesome. I'm so happy that you have a good experience. You started implementing. You have put your business. You've put you've launched your business. You have your own website now.
Yeah,
That's a lot of growth.
yeah, yeah.
And
I'm
now
just learning.
yeah, that's a lot of growth because everything you did it within 30 days.
Yeah,
Uh, for teaching this, other institutes, other training or MBA colleges will take 2 years or more than 1 year, 6 months. They will take. You go to a
yeah.
digital marketing training in your city, there will be
Hmm.
3 months, 6 month training and see the subject. They will not teach what I'm teaching. You experience.
From college, I have experience. Like in colleges, no one teaches, no one teach you. Actually, you have to teach yourself by own by
Correct.
watching these and those. So
Correct.
that though I have experience.
Correct.
That's it.
So awesome. More power to you.
Thank
Great
you.
job on implementing, launching your business, having your own website. Now you have to start reaching out to clients and you have to keep moving forward.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Sure, I will.
Uh, see you in the weekly calls. Do attend the calls.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes.